Hey everyone, today I'll show you a quick way to grab a free Crocs promo code for a discount on your next pair of comfy kicks. Just head over to easecoupon.co/Crocs or simply scan the QR code on your screen to go straight to the site. Once you're there, enter your email address so your promo code can be sent directly to your inbox. I'll type mine in here to show you exactly how it works. Next, choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device, then hit Continue. The site will immediately start generating your Crocs promo code. To complete the process, there's a simple verification step to confirm you're a real person. All you need to do is download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These are popular, trusted apps with millions of downloads, so they're safe and free to install. Once the apps are downloaded, open each one and use it for about a minute. Some apps may ask you to reach level 9 in a game or complete a short survey. These steps are necessary to confirm your identity and unlock your promo code, which will be sent straight to your email when you're done. I'll speed through this part with some background music so you can see it without waiting. And that's it. Now, let's check my inbox, and there it is, my Crocs promo code. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more tips. Enjoy your discount on Crocs.